All right, y'all. You know that it's October, the 1st of October, and Eddie and I love making our own vanilla extract. So that's what we're fixing to share with y'all. We're going to use the vodka, and Madagascar vanilla is inherently, it says, better. The choice depends on your desired flavor profile and application, as Madagascar vanilla is rich, creamy, and bold, while Tahitian vanilla is more delicate, floral, and sweet with a fruity note to it. So Madagascar vanilla is more versatile for like baked goods and all, right, Egg?
Yeah, baked, and the Tahitian one is a little more delicate and florally tasting.
All right, now is it the Viper?
Smells wonderful.
It just tastes like you could just suck on it and it would be so not good.
Hey, Paula, you mentioned October. Why is it important that you're doing this in October?
Because y'all, we can't use this for a couple of months, and if you're wanting to do it as a Christmas gift for somebody to be able to use immediately, I'm just cutting these open for you, Eddie, and hopefully get it open, Paula. Here, Eddie, you're gonna have to open it. I can't do it. My fingers don't work like they used to. I've got it split real good. So to make your homemade vanilla extract, you need to slice your vanilla bean, and then I like to take a knife. Now Eddie's using a little spoon, but I like to hold it open, take a knife, and run it just down, just like that, and then put it in your jar. There you go. So, and then you're just going to put the bean in there after you've taken all the goodie out of it.
Is there a certain amount of bean?
I think
versus
4 to 5 beans
per bottle?
Per jar, yeah.
And does using vodka, does that make it the Madagascar?
No. You can
the actual bean.
I think you can use bourbon or vodka for the Madagascar.
Well, that's what I've always done. Sometimes I'll jump around and use bourbon.
I saw it said for the Tahitian vodka would be best used. Bourbon would be.
And this vanilla bean, this is Origin Madagascar. And this one says Tahitian vanilla beans.
Yeah, I just got a small pack of the Tahitian one because we probably won't use as much as that.
Okay, so we are making the Tahitian.
This is the Tahitian one.
Oh, okay. So we're not making Madagascar yet.
Not yet. That's all on there.
And see, I was thinking backwards.
And you can smell that compared to this. This just has a softer scent.
And what did you say you did with the Madagascar? I mean, with the Tahitian, Eddie?
I mean, it would be used for like non-baking, like cold desserts, or mixing with fruit, or cocktails.
Coffee.
I was going to say this might be pretty good in coffee.
I hope a bottle of this has my name on it. Yes. For the old Christmas time.
Yes. I don't know. The last time we made it, I thought we were doing Christmas. I think you were so sweet to have sent my mother a bottle.
I did.
Home, and I know I used it the last time I was up there.
And she still had some?
Oh, yeah. She doesn't bake the way she used to bake, so. But you kind of held those bottles pretty close. I don't think too many people got some. Those Christmas presents.
I love the dark bottles because it protects. They look like an old pharmacy bottle.
Yeah.
Where the darker bottle protects it from sunlight and losing its strength and everything. So,
This would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in there right now. So that's probably good for
front enough.
for that size.
Why don't we do one more for good measure?
Okay.
Tahitian vanilla excels in lighter desserts, cosmetics, and beverages where its subtle fragrance is appreciated. I don't know how you would do that in cosmetics. But these are some profiles for the vanilla that we're gonna make with the bourbon.
The bourbon, yeah.
And it's rich, bold, creamy, sweet with a strong classic vanilla flavor. And it can also have balsamic and tobacco notes.
That's what this got it to me. I like those tobacco candles that you get. That's what it smells like, a cigar to me for some reason.
I don't like cigar smoke.
It doesn't smell like smoke. It just smells like the tobacco, unsmoked.
All right, so the one we're fixing to make is a broad range of applications, including baking, ice cream, custards, and mass market products. Tahitian vanilla, what we've just made, its flavor profile is a subtle, delicate, floral, sweet, and aromatic profile. It often has fruity and anise-like undertones. Okay? And it's best for delicate desserts, pastries, custards, no-bake fillings, beverages, and cosmetic foundations. I don't get that one. Characteristics are highly valued in the pantry and cosmetic worlds for its subtle perfume qualities and its ability to impact tiny black seeds from aesthetic appeal. I don't know. I think that's for manufacturers.
Yeah.
Don't you think? I'm not gonna put any of this in my blush on.
Never know. A lot of a lot of
Considerations.
cosmetics are kind of made from.
The Tahitian can be more expensive, but its unique flavor is highly desired for gourmet creations. So how to choose? You choose Madagascar for strong classic vanilla flavoring, or opt for Tahitian for the delicate flavors. Okay.
And really making it with bourbon or vodka for the Madagascar. I mean, when we've made desserts with the bourbon, gosh, the flavoring of the dessert is just
It's
so rich.
good. It's good. Now, what did we use last fall when we made our...
We did both. We did bourbon,
vodka.
bourbon and vodka. Yeah.
I had no idea vanilla could be made with bourbon.
Really? Seems like that's mainly what I used to make it out of. Before I even moved to Savannah. Seems like I always used bourbon.
This is a nice gift because
It is
it's so much better than, I mean, we've used yours all year long.
that's right. It's a very nice gift.
Well, and you can, I think, make
To
a
give
big
to someone or
batch.
to give to yourself.
Go on and make a big batch, and then get yourself some
Yes.
different bottles.
Yes.
Just do smaller ones
just
for
do-
guests.
Yeah.
Yes. But I think I may have scraped that one.
Nope.
Did I not scrape it?
Nope. This one's not cut yet.
Oh, I thought I had cut it. Yes, and because your better vanilla extracts are very expensive. It's very expensive. Now I don't know how much we paid for these beans.
Actually, they're not for like this big pack here. I think it was maybe like around $25.
But that'll make like five or six bottles.
Yeah. There's. I mean, this.
Yeah, there's a good bit in there. But look, I love these that are. See how flat and kind of straight this one is. They're so much easier to slice open. That's it. We have shared with y'all what we know about vanilla extracts. And I highly recommend that you take your time. You put a red bow on this bottle, and anybody that knows anything about extracts will thank you. They will thank you.
And you'll see that will start getting darker and darker every day.
Darker and darker. Yes, but we'll keep them in our cabinet that we keep the door shut on, our baking cabinet over there, and it'll be put in a dark place so the sun can't get to it and take anything away from it. All right, now I would like to know, Eddie, if we could freeze these.
Oh no, we'll have to look it up.
Yeah, look, it may say on the back of that, but it will make your holiday baking so good. But just remember, the longer it can sit, the better it'll get. I think I let my last batch sit for about 3 months before I touched it.
Yeah. I mean, we have one in there that's marked that we started back in April, and that's a fresh bottle. So that one should be really good.
Yes. Love and best dishes. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.